criminal matters get over in less than 1 year now. The charge sheet is filed the same year the cases are over, because there is normal course things are getting over. Sessions court may not be, because the sessions court is overloaded with work and there are not enough judges.
ओके कितें दिसता का सर?
हे कितें आसा जाणा, इन आवर बजेट्स घेवया, एन्युअल बजेट्स जे आसा ते
हय
मुद्दम ऑब्जर्व करचें. वॉट इज द एलोकेशन मेड फॉर द लॉ एंड ज्युडिशरी डिपार्टमेंट्स. दीज आर मोस्ट निग्लेक्टेड बाय द गव्हर्मेंट. हें आतां जें कितें करता न्हय ती नाटकां कशीं दिसता. कारण वॉट इज रिक्वायर्ड फॉर दीस इज ती फूल टायम कोर्ट्स चलोवं येतात, पण ज्यो वेकन्सी आसा तितल्यो भरूंक जाय. वेकन्सीज
तुम्ही म्हणटात की एक्झिस्टिंग गजालीच कितल्योश्योच आसात ज्यो पयलीं जाग्यार घाले जाल्यार आमचे खुबशे प्रश्न सुट्टाले.
आनी गोंया सारक्या ठिकाणी तरी अशें हें ना की हांगा ही अजुनूय कमर्शियल अशी स्टेट किंवा हें डेव्हलपमेंट बी जाल्लो ना.
बरोबर.
हांगा ट्रेडिशनलूच बरेचशें लिटिगेशन आसा. आपले ल्हान ल्हान प्रॉपर्टी मॅटर्स, फॅमिली मॅटर्स आनी हे
सिव्हिल मॅटर्स.
हय सिव्हिल मॅटर्स हें आसा. आनी मोठ्यो केसी क्रिमिनल म्हणटा त्यो केन्ना तरी हें जाता, ना जाल्यार बारीक सारीकूच ह्यो केसी आसता. आनी कितें पळयलां हांवें तर हें एक्चुअली हांव एक म्हाजें उदाहरण म्हणून सांगता. पयलेच फावट हांव पार्लमेंटान गेलो त्या वेळार हांवें लॉ ज्युडिशरी कंपनी अफेर्स ही पार्लमेंटरी कमिटीक ओप्ट केली. कितें तरी हें करतलो म्हणून ह्या हातून कंट्रिब्युशन एकूच जालें तें ज्युरिडिक्शन ऑफ दी बॉम्बे हायकोर्ट वॉज एक्सटेंडेड तितले.
बरोबर.
ज्या वेळार थंय हांव कितें केलें पार्लमेंटान बजेट सेशना वेळार हे म्हाजी स्पीच हांव त्या हाजेर करतलो म्हणून पयलीं नोटीस दिवची पडटा. त्या प्रमाणे नोटीस दिली. तर सबंद सेशन सोंपलें तरी आमचो हो विशय येना, ही मिनिस्ट्री येना.
इतलेच तुम्ही म्हणटात की इतले तुगेले सामको निग्लेक्टेड व्यवहार
चलता.
एक्झिस्टिंग कांय गजाली ज्यो वेकन्सीज जाल्यो भरपाच्यो ह्यो जर गजाली जाग्यार घाल्यो जाल्यार खुबश्यो गजाली ऑटोमॅटीक फास्ट ट्रॅक जातल्यो.
हय त्यो गोश्टी आसात, देर इज नो डावट अबाउट इट. आतां फॉर एग्जाम्पल हांव तुमकां एक आतां हांणी पॉयंट ऑफ व्यू दिल्या. दीस इज पॉयंट ऑफ व्यू गिवन बाय अ लॉयर. वेन गव्हर्मेंट कन्सिडर्स इट, he doesn't considers in the point of view of a lawyer. When जेन्ना कोर्ट केस जेन्ना कोर्टान वता तेन्ना सगळे इम्पॉर्टंट आसात. जज वन इम्पॉर्टंट,
बरोबर,
लिटिगंट इम्पॉर्टंट,
सगळे स्टेक होल्डर,
विटनेस इम्पॉर्टंट, लॉयर्स इम्पॉर्टंट. सो सगळे इम्पॉर्टंट. वेन गव्हर्मेंट कन्सिडर्स अ मॅटर ते कन्सिडर करता सगळ्यांचो पॉयंट ऑफ व्यू घेवन कन्सिडर करता.
करेक्ट.
सो इन माय ओपिनियन की दो एक्झिस्टिंग गोष्टी आसा त्यो इम्प्रूव करपाच्यो, देर इज नो डावट अबाउट इट. पूण तातूंतय आनी कितें इम्प्रुवमेंट जाता, देर इज नथिंग रॉंग इन दॅट.
एक गजाल तुम्ही एग्री करता की सेशन्स
हे कितें आसा ना, दीस इज नॉट इम्प्रुवमेंट. हें कितें आसा, जें वजें ऑलरेडी आसा तें आनीक वाडोवप.
तुम्ही फक्त म्हणटा की वजें वाडोवप
हें इम्प्रुवमेंट न्हय.
कारण
इम्प्रुवमेंट केन्ना म्हणून येता, ज्या वेळार क्वॉलिटी जस्टीस मेळटली न्हय त्या वेळार.
बट म्हाका एक गजाल सांगा, जेन्ना सेशन्स कोर्ट आमी ऑलरेडी ओवरबर्डन जालो म्हणटात, विच वी क्लियरली एग्री की जाला. सो आमी मान्य करतात की बाबा खंय तरी सगळीं प्रकरणां पेंडींग उरतात, स्पिडी डिलिव्हरी ऑफ जस्टीस जायना. मागीर उपाय कितें? लोकांनी कितें इतली वर्सांनी वर्सां रावपाचें? वॉट इज द सोल्युशन?
See, the solution would be to streamline the system so that things move faster. In fact,
is it possible?
Yes, it is very much possible. You see, at the sessions court level, somehow or the other, what is happening now is they are burdened with other works. Now, for instance, Sessions Court today does land acquisition matters and motor accident claims tribunal matters, which you don't need a session judge to try those matters. Land acquisition is the simplest thing to do. So is motor accident claims tribunal. They are summary procedures. And the Sessions Courts are, district and Sessions Courts are burdened with these two matters. First, you remove them, send them out the civil judge senior division. That I think would sort out everything. For some reason or the other, these least important trials of land acquisition matters and motor accident claims tribunal handed over the district judge. So that if that workload is reduced and this Sessions Courts are only concerned with appeals, district and Sessions Court with appeals and trials of Sessions matters, and whatever other matters come, special suits against government and all, things would work very fast.
तुमकां दिसता की प्रामाणिकपणान स्ट्रीमलाइन करून सद्याची सिस्टम आमची सगळी इश्यू जाग्यार पडटली?
Yes. No, I would also want to comment on what Lavande said earlier. You see what happens, he says advocates will then split themselves. Some will practice night, some will
It's a choice of an individual advocate.
Yes, but that is unfair to the litigant. You see, in any profession, whether it is law or whether it is medicine, 70% of the patients or 70% of the litigants go to 10% of the lawyers. You check in, go 10 or 15%. Now, this is a competitive profession where the litigant decides who is best. It's not a politician coming and say, vote for me. No, the litigant votes. They know, they decide. Now, when you have this sort of separation, all the senior lawyers, worth their salt, will say, I am not practicing between 5:30 and 7:30. And when a litigant needs a good lawyer, he will not get it. You see, it would be the lawyers who see, those who do well, and those who do well are the smarter lawyers. They will not be willing to come to 5:30 to 7:30. So, you are burdening the litigant with choosing
Interesting argument.
choosing lawyers who may not be good enough.
Okay.
He may want a
Interesting
lawyer.
argument.
I will revert to
Yeah, okay.
straight away I will revert
Yes.
to this. Now today, some good lawyers, some lawyers say, good lawyers, I am not going to go to labor court. I am not going to practice criminal matters. I am not going to MAPSA. I am not going to Margaon. I will practice only in Panjim. I will practice only in High Court. Now, does it affect the litigant? It doesn't. There will be some good lawyers. In fact, you will give chance to some very budding and young lawyers who want to practice from 5 to 7. They will come to court, they will read the matters, they will come, they will argue the matters. So, there will be new crop of lawyers will come up. So, it is not as if, see, today lawyers, it's a evolving profession in the sense की आज एक lawyer असा, फाल्यां तो नासतलो, ताजे जाग्यार दुसरो lawyer येतलो. So, merely because this lawyers, some senior lawyers who doesn't want to go from 5 to 7, that does not mean that new lawyers
vacuum तयार जावचो ना
vacuum तयार जावचो ना, नवे lawyer येतले तयार.
दुसरो जो मुद्दा तांचो की आमी गरज नाशिल्ल्या गजालींनी सेशन्स कोर्टाक ओव्हरबर्डन केला, जाका लागून अल्टिमेटली सगळी गजाली तुंबून उरतात.
ना आता पळय, आता ताणे एक गोष्ट सांगली सेशन कोर्टाची. दिस नाईट कोर्ट्स इज नॉट ओनली सेशन्स कोर्ट, इट इज all the courts.
बरोबर.
Now you can't decide today which litigation is important and which litigation is not important. He said that land acquisition matters very not important litigation.
No, I am not saying not important.
No, one minute. Let me. He said like land acquisition compensation. I will give you an example. Land acquisition matters. मनशाची प्रॉपर्टी गव्हर्नमेंट घेता, कंपल्सरीली एक्वायर करता आणि ताका अमके एक्स रेट दिता. सो ती मॅटर ताकाय दिसता की आपल्याक अमके कंपेन्सेशन मेळचें. So how can he say that it is not an important
argument?
litigation?
Does it require attention of a session court?
Now,
Yes.
is he trying to say that the trial courts are also not burdened? Only sessions courts are burdened? So this will burden them ultimately.
So खंयतरी ते वजें shift करपाक जाय.
हांगासरले काडले थंय दिलें वजें. That is the only alternative. Motor accident claim. Motor accident claim, can he say that it is not important? लोकांचो कोणी मेल्लो आसता, हे जाल्लो आसता, तो कोर्टान येता, ताका दिसता की आपले पयशे आपल्याक बेगीन मेळचे, हे मेळचे. सो इट इज नॉट फॉर द लॉयर्स टू डिसाइड which litigation is important and which litigation is important, not important. State, while amending, while making the law, decided that these are important litigation, which should go to sessions court and sessions court will decide those matters. Now sessions कोर्टाचे काडून ट्रायल कोर्टाक दिवप म्हणजे ते तू सेशन्स कोर्टाचे वजें कमी करतलो पण ट्रायल कोर्टाचे वाडयतलो. सो दॅट इज नॉट अ अल्टरनेटिव्ह.
Radha Babu is already shaking his head.
Don't give it to trial court. In fact, I would personally feel that MACT and land acquisition matters, which are basically, technical. You decide so much of land is acquired, so much is the rate. See, it's all same thing with motor vehicles compensation. There's a schedule where payments have to be made.
There is no need to create litigation.
No, there it could be handed over to special courts where you sit summarily and do it. That this should be done. That would benefit the litigant also.
Yeah.
But no. Before.
Yeah.
See, there's one more thing. We have not hit that subject. You see, this is not a matter of existing judges sitting from 5:30 to 7:30. The notification says the government will appoint or may appoint retired judges, and we are vehemently opposed to these retired judges. You see what happens? A judge is sent on retirement because his productive years are past him. This is the reality.
ताका थंय हाडून बसून
No,
फायदो
you are
कितें?
bringing him back. Now, this creates a major problem. You see, when you have the standard judiciary, you appoint a judge at the lowest level. That judge is part of the system. He has expectations that he will rise up. Right now, there are 2 judges in the High Court who started practice with us. They have risen up by being judges.
Correct.
So, these judges work conscientiously and they are aware that depending on their performance, they will rise. Therefore, justice is done.
But
Now, if you bring on contract some fellow who has no stakes in the system, who does, how do we know that the judgment itself will not be written
बरें.
on contract?
That's why before going to Kasarab for final thing, म्हाका एक गजाल सांग. Is this a rehabilitation plan of retired judges? As Radha is indirectly pointing at it.
That is what access.
Now I will give one more example. Judges, I will come to these judges little later. Trial court. There are altogether 4 courts.
बरोबर.
A to D, there are 4 courts. And 4 courts are not enough for Panjim. That is for sure. If you go to MAPSA court itself, there are A, B, C, D, E, F till F, there are 6 to 7 courts. Amenities, court sitting is not enough during daytime. So if you have judge, sitting from 5 to 7, now this will be double in the sense of 4 court, we will be able to make it 8 courts. Presently amenities are not enough in Panjim. New court is coming up, time asa. So it will double the productivity. This is one aspect of the matter. Now coming to the judges. Now these retired judges who have worked till their date of retirement, who do not blemish on them. Now to say that after retirement they are going to do something, in my opinion, this is unfair on those judges who have worked for last so many years.
Okay. म्हाका लास्ट कासाराब सांगात ह्या सगळ्या हातूंतल्यान म्हाका एक गजाल जी दिसता जो की क्लॅश दिसता की सरकाराचे खंय तरी इंटेंशन आसा की एक बेटर जस्टीस डिलिव्हरी जावची, वेरेज जे ओपोज करतात तांचोय तोच उद्देश आसा की बेटर जस्टीस डिलिव्हरी जावची आणि अशी करून ती जावची ना. ह्या हातूंतल्यान भायर सरपाचो एक सादो सोपो मार्ग कितें? कारण प्रत्येकाक तेंच जाय, पूण आमी कॉन्सेप्टाचेर अडकल्यात.
आमच्या डिबेटीन एका नवीन एक मुवमेंट विदीन द ज्युडिशरी जो सुरू जालो ताचे बाबत कोणूच उलयले ना, कारण ताजो इफेक्टूय बरो जाल्लो आसा आनी गोंयांत तर बरो जाला आसा. तर ते लोक अदालत, म्हाजो जो अनुभव आसा, हांव आतां फॉर द लास्ट 15 years हांव ह्या परमनंट लोक अदालतीन आसा. आनी सांगचें म्हणजे थंय दोतोर नॉरोंज फेरेर ही इज ए रिटायर्ड जज कितें, पण ताजो अनुभव इतलो की त्या अनुभवाचें जें आसा तो परिणाम असो की people have trust in him and they come for solving mostly the problems under the Portuguese law and the inventory proceeding आणि हे सगळे. आणि कितलेशेच ओल्ड प्रोसिडींग्स 25 years बी निदान पणजेत तरी उरलेले नाही, सॉल्व जाल्ले आसा.
उपाय कितें म्हणटा एका वाक्यान भितर सारको सांगपाक जाल्यार
कितें आसा, जजीसांकूय मोटिवेट करचें पडटलें टू एक्टिवेट विदाउट गव्हर्मेंटल इंटरफियरन्स. ज्युडिशरींतले मेंटेनिंग द इंडिपेंडन्स ऑफ द ज्युडिशरी तांकां एक्टिवेट करचें पडटलें की बाबा यू एक्ट ऑन इट, यू सजेस्ट हाव यू आर गोइंग टू डू इट.
करेक्ट.
कारण वी हॅव प्रोवायडेड यू द मशिनरी, वी हॅव प्रोवायडेड यू द मेडिएशन सेंटर्स, वी हॅव प्रोवायडेड यू द लोक अदालत आणि प्रेमिसीस आता दिल्ले.
नाव यू हॅव टू मेक फुल यूज ऑफ इट, ऑप्टिमम यूज ऑफ इट. तो ऑप्टिमम यूज केल्यार आमचे बरेच प्रश्न जाग्यार पडटले,
बरेच प्रश्न लागीर पडटले. कारण बरेचशे आता धरुया 138 केसीस ज्यो आसा न्हय त्यातून कितें आसता खरें म्हणजे
ते जर प्रोएक्टिव्ह जाले जाल्यार बऱ्योचश्यो गजाली फटाफट सुटतल्यो.
आणि
सामको वेळ सोंपला. क्विकली
फायनान्शियल मॅटर्स आसा न्हय ती तर सामकी सॉल्व बरी तरेन
क्विकली सामको फायनल.
इनफॅक्ट दोतोरान सांगलें तशे प्रमाणे इन CRPC, in CPC, there is a provision की judge himself should first see that the matter can be settled between the parties. म्हणजे जजान पयली
अल्टिमेटली आमी त्याच हाजेर पावतात की जजान खंय तरी लास्टाक प्रोएक्टिव्ह जावन ह्यो गजाली जाग्यार घाल्यार आमचे खुबशे प्रश्न सुट्टले. म्हणजे वेळ सारको सोंपला, खूब बरी चर्चा जाल्या. विषय वेगळो आशिल्लो पण म्हाका दिसता प्रत्येकाक लागता असो विशय आशिल्लो. तुमी तिघे जाण आयले, म्हाकाच खूब काम कमी आशिल्लें कारण 3 आदवोगाद बसता तेन्ना म्हाका व्हडलें काम आसना. सो तुमी मांडले पॉयंट. थँक्स अलॉट. पळयत रावात प्रुडंट. नमस्कार.